Hello, I am Naveen. Today I will walk you through a case study that combines two critical areas of cybersecurity: reverse engineering and Docker container auditing. The goal was simple: find a real weakness in a compiled software and container setup, demonstrate a risk in a control lab, and recommended practical fixes. Yeah, methodology. The project was divided into two core segments: reverse engineering, container security, as I have mentioned before, and we have used Docker CLI, Hydra, Binwalk, Trevi, and Linux. The major steps includes isolated environment with all necessary tools used. As I have mentioned before, the Hydra, Binwalk, Docker CLI, and Trevi, Linux, Python 3, and Ubuntu were used, and the Ubuntu was loaded in a virtual machine. Reverse engineering analysis. Reverse engineering analysis was performed using Hydra, an open source software analysis developed by NSA. The decompiler code allowed for the identification of unsafe functions called insecure string handling and potential buffer overflows. Yeah, the Hydra decompiler reveals a vulnerable code segment where the user input was directly passed into a unsafe functions. Container audit and security analysis. Docker containers are widely used for applications deployment due to their portability and scalability. However, improper configuration can lead to significant security risks. Yeah. Exploit simulation. In a control lab environment, a simulation was conducted to demonstrate a potential container escape scenario by exploiting a mounted Docker socket. It was possible to spawn a privileged container and gain access to the host systems. The system emphasizes the importance of avoiding privileged container and restricting socket mounts. Countermeasures and hardening. After identifying multiple security weaknesses, several countermeasures are proposed. Key recommendation: avoid using privileged mode unnecessarily capable of additional. Disable direct Docker socket mount within a container. Use a non-user account in a Docker files. Ethical consideration. All tasks for performed in the case study was done in a compliance with ethical hacking principles. Testing was limited to authorized systems within a control lab environment. No actual production systems were targeted. Thank you.